What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I got something special for y'all. Stay tuned. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that's correct. I've got a surprise for y'all. Now, this surprise actually started about 3 weeks ago when I got an email from the people over at Oxido LED. They happened to see some of the videos that I had about the truck and my headlight issues, and they felt as though that I needed an upgrade, And I had all kinds of issues with this, and I really think that after talking with them, they would be able to help me out with my problem. So they were nice enough to actually send us some hardware. I'm curious about what's in here. I've been sitting on this for like 3 weeks now, and I don't really know exactly what's inside, so let's take a sneak peek and see what they sent us. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I decided to speed this up a little bit by taking it out of the package. So what I observed right away in their packaging is they take pride in their packaging and the boxing. I like this. So this product is, like I said, called Oxido LED. So let's see what they have inside. Looks like it. What is that? Is that gloves? That's gloves. Why would you know? Hold on a minute. So that means they don't want you touching the lights at all. Okay, alright, Oxido. Y'all mean business. I get it. So don't touch the lights without the gloves. But what if I touch the lights without the gloves? What happens? I'm kidding. I'm not going to do that, guys. Alright, so let's go ahead and take these out. So give me 1 second. And I'm a Michael Jackson this one. Was it the right hand or the left hand that Michael put it on? Okay. If the glove don't fit, you must have quit. All right. I'm sorry, I couldn't help myself. The glove don't fit. All right, here we go. So let's pull this out of the package using their gloves. And right away, it's metal. And you can see that there is a fan on the inside. You see that? You probably can't see. There you go. That's kind of cool. Pun intended. All right. I like how they threw this together. Alright, well, let's go see how easy it is to install it in the truck. However, before I continue, their product manual is actually really easy to read. I went ahead and looked through this just a second ago. It's actually, everything is really, really simple to read, guys. This is really cool. It's not one of those that are really difficult to read or just well, I can't say half-assed, but I guess I just did. Alright, so let's put this to the side. We're going to take off the Michael Jackson glove. So, let's see what is in here. What did they send me? What is this? What is this? So you plug it in here. Oh, I know what this is. This is a what's the word? It's a code error canceller. That's what this is for. When you plug this in, it doesn't throw a code or an error for the canvas or the computer telling it that the power is too low or too high, which I can't remember exactly which. I wonder if that was my problem from before and why my truck kept having flicker problems. Again, the packaging on this is absolutely amazing. It's not like a Ziploc bag where you can open it at the top. No, this is like vacuum sealed, guys. They take pride in their packaging. All right, well, I'm gonna break the seal. Here we go. No turning back now, guys. No turning back. Oh, wait, should I use the Michael Jackson glove? No. Okay. All right, so let's check this out. All right, so very clearly legible in case of temperature. And you know what? This is probably a resistor. I had this on my truck once before. They were orange. They were smaller, and they got freaking hot. And it got to the point where it actually melted the plastic under the hood. And I eventually just took it out because I didn't want to run a risk of a fire. So it looks like you can mount it, I guess, vertically. So I'll have to find a good place for it. Plugs are clean. They look very well put together. All right. Well, let's go ahead and let's do an install on one side. I'm gonna do one side of the truck, and I'm gonna leave the other side halogen, and we'll do a comparison. All right, I took it out and I plugged it up. Let's make it a little easier. Attempt number 2. Pretty simple and easy. Not bad. A little difficult to do one-handed, but you know, that's how we do this. Oh my God, you're gonna be difficult. Really? Is that easy? Oh my God. And well, there it is. Now I haven't mounted it or anything, but let's check to see what the lights look like. Alright folks, well, me and the Michael Jackson glove are about to figure out if these lights are actually going to work in this truck. So let's go figure it out. Let's go see. Michael Jackson. Alright, so first things first, turn the power to the on position. Alright, let's kill the main light so we get full effect. Alright, so lights on. Hey, alright. Halogen on this side, driver's side. LED on this side. And these are 6K, so this is white, pure white. So that works. Now the true test. Now what I have found is the moment you turn on the engine, those lights freak out and then they start flickering. No flicker. None. No flicker. Oh my God, I'm so happy right now. all right, let's go ahead and let's do a comparison out on the street, and then I'll install the driver's side, and we'll do another comparison there too. so this is after I install the LED headlights from Oxido. Oh man, oh, that is so cool. Dang, it lights up everything over there. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, well, that is going to be a wrap for this video for today. And I'll tell you right now, ladies and gentlemen, Oxido LED has come through. I am so amazed about this, guys. Not only the hardware, but the matchup, guys. The matchup is just awesome. And then it was easy plug and play. It's not complicated like HID. Don't get me wrong, HID is good, but LED is so much better. And then the packaging. The packaging, you can clearly tell that they take pride in their packaging and everything here. Now these are the halogens that I took out of it, and they're still good, so I'm going to keep those nuzzled away. In the event any lights go bad, and I don't want a ticket, nobody does. But anyway, I'll tell you right now, ladies and gentlemen, if you don't have Oxido LEDs in your vehicle, you need to get them, because these guys are changing the game. I love how they have everything packaged. It's so professional, high quality, easy to read product manuals. Just great, guys. So I'm going to give this a review out of 1 out of 10, 10 being the absolute most amazing in the world. I'll give them a good, solid 9.2. And for those who are over at Oxido, I really mean a 10, a solid 10. So I'm just saying that. But anyway, that's going to be it for this evening's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it as much as I did making it. Also, Oxido donating a Michael Jackson glove. I'm going to sport this sucker for a while. But anyway, like I said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Like, share, comment, subscribe. And until the next one, y'all take it easy. I love you. Goodbye.